To the Indy Car Show, and there I'm going to look at cars. Maybe a truck. Well, dang. Dang. Just gonna walk around in a circle. Keeps going. You just see the lights. Just keeps going and going and going. Our convention center is awesome. It's so huge. It's so huge. What are you doing? Bye. I told you there'd be trucks. Walking around the hall. Let's go. Made it.
Prayer before I started it.
I had a shoot. He's getting mine, and then this one will be his. Nice. That's the reason he gets to shoot. Oh my god. So cool. It's so cool. Oh my god.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
It fits. So I sit. What?
I don't get the point of these red things.
Yeah, I don't know. It's cool though. The hubcaps.
It's weird.
Yeah, because this is one of the nice ones.
I'm in a nice car. Bloom, bloom. Get out the car. Aww.
Bright orange car.
Neon green's better.
Really?
Yeah. That's more like it.
Warning, warning. Spoiler alert.
How was this 36,000?
Had a great time at the car show. And now I must depart. See you guys later. PaTcHiZzEl 797 signing off. Goodbye, everybody.